Hello lovely people, welcome to Okosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Alright, so for today I will be making Gizdodo or fried plantain with gizzard and peppered sauce. Yeah, very easy and quick recipe, but very delicious as well. Okay, so let's get started. So these are the simple ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So the first thing I'll be doing is to steam the gizzard. So I'll be adding chicken seasoning and then some diced red onion and then fresh rosemary with a little bit of water, and then cover and allow it to steam for about 7 to 8 minutes. Please make sure to wash your gizzard properly. Okay, so I'll proceed and fry the plantain whilst the gizzard is also steaming. So you just cut it into cubes and then you fry. Okay, so after 7 minutes the gizzard is ready. You could see all the juice from the gizzard. So I'll be separating the gizzard and the stock, which I'll be using later. Okay, so at this point I'll be making the sauce. So I added about 3 tablespoons of oil. So I will put in the gizzard and allow it to fry until it's a bit golden brown, not too hard because I want it juicy. And then I added some white onions. Then I'll add the blended tomato, chilies, and then the red bell pepper. Yes, give it a quick mix and then add your stock. Cover and allow it to cook on low heat until all the water is evaporated. Okay, so after 10 minutes this is how the sauce looks like. Okay, so I added the curry powder, paprika, the Remi seasoning, and then black pepper. Give it a quick mix and cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for another 5 minutes. Please check on the plantains as well. Okay, so after 5 minutes, that's our sauce. I'll be adding the carrot, the bell peppers, white onion, and then the scallions. Yes, you can go ahead and add any extra veggies that you prefer. Okay, so give it a quick mix and then bring back your dodo or the plantain if it's ready. Please make sure not to use too soft plantains, else your recipe or the food will be soggy. The last thing to do now is to add the fried plantains and then give it a good mix. Okay, make sure you mix it well so that the plantain, the sauce, and then the gizzard is well mixed. So I'll garnish with some fresh rosemary and then fresh parsley. It's optional. If you don't have it, fine, but it gives the food a very nice aroma. Yes, that's why I love it. Another tip is you can also do this with sweet potatoes if you don't like the plantain. It's also great. Yes, I tried it once and then I really liked it. Okay, so I'm going to serve myself and enjoy. Alright, so if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe and share to my friends. To my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. I hope you're here to stay and enjoy the amazing recipes I have for you. Please, thank you for watching this recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes. God bless you all. Please be safe out there and then enjoy your 2022. Have a blessed one. God bless you all. Stay safe. Bye-bye.